Good afternoon. Brandon here from Beast Mode Trading. Wanted to give you guys that daily recap of System 1. And I also want to introduce you a new tool that we're bringing to the room, another scalping system that allows us to get into the trades that has a very high probability. So we'll kind of touch on that after we do our System 1 recap. So I don't want to waste too much of your time, so let's dive in real quick. System 1, we like to trade from 9:30 to 12. Um, if we lose a trade and you take the following signal, you have an even higher probability. And every trade that we take, we like to risk around 5% of our total account. And that's how we're able to extract money each and every week. We've been green every week this year, as well as this week as well. And I'm about to show you to instill confidence within your belief system. And then we'll touch base on our new tools that we have that we share in our live room. If you want to see any of our tools, scroll down to the comments underneath the video. You can join our Discord. You can see our Beast report, our Beast Mode Mastermind link, and as well as our website. So reach out if you have any questions. Let's dive in. This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Martin Luther King. Day was Monday. The markets was closed, so it jumped from January 15th to I believe it is the 19th. So this is Monday of this week. We'll zoom in here and see how we did. Momentum shift to the downside. We took puts right here, stop out right here, 1-to-1 right here, set a trail stop. We are 1-0. And then we get another trade set up right here. We take calls. Our stop out was right here. This candle violated it to the downside, so we took a loss. We are 1-1. And then we got another sell signal. We got a momentum shift down, and we took puts right here. Stop out was right here. It did not hit our 1-to-1, and this candle violated it right here. So either took a loss on this candle or that candle. Horrible day. We are now 1 win and 2 losers. And then we take our third signal, or our fourth signal, sorry. We take calls right here. There's our stop out, and it goes on and hits our 1-to-1, and we ended up being green on the day with a 50% win rate. We still finished green. It's crazy. You just follow the rules and use proper risk, and you have a very high chance to extract money with this. So this was on Tuesday. We're 2-2 on the week. Green right now for the week. Was not perfect, but we stuck to our game plan. So we're 2-2. We take calls right here. Here's our stop out. Our 1-to-1 gets hit. You set a trail stop. We got a nice mini grand slam. We entered this around 381.30, and we ended up getting trailed out around 382.30. So we got a whole dollar. So whatever delta contract you took, we captured the full delta on that trade. So this would be Wednesday. We're 2-2. We're 3-2. Then we get a put trade right here, and we have a stop out here. This candle violated it, so we are now 3-3 for the week, and we don't get another signal till about 12:45. If you would have taken this trade, you would have gotten all your money back and rode that bad boy up. But we typically are done trading around 12 or shortly after if we're waiting for another setup. So we are we were 2-2, 3-2, 3-3. We're 3-3 right now in 2 trading days, and we finished green on this day as well, barely, just trading System 1, but did finish on the green side. So we're 3-3 on the week, 50% win rate, horrible, below our average results that we typically see, but we're following the plan still. So we are 3-3. We have a momentum shift to the downside, and we take puts right here. Here's our stop out, hits our target, set a trail stop, and we got a little bit extra, and we ended up selling out right at our 1-to-1. So we are now 4-3 for the week. We take calls right here. Here's our stop out, hits our 1-to-1. We are 5-3, and then we get a put trade right here. Here's our stop out, and our 1-to-1's here. Once again, we're able to ride it down and get another green day in the book. So we are now 6-3 in Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and 3 trading days. So we are 6-3. We'll fast forward to the next day on Friday. We're 6-3. We take calls here. Here's our stop out. Here's our 1-to-1. Once again, a trail stop allowed us to capture more movement to the upside. So we are now 7-3. Since we won so much on this trade, this following trade that we took, we did end up taking a winner, even though it did not hit our target. This thing ended up dropping 20 cents in our favor. So we ended up taking a break even on this, a real minor win actually, but nothing spectacular. Our stop would be up here. Here's our entry. And if you're holding this to the 1-to-1, it'd be down here, and it did get stopped out. So this one would be a wash. Technically a loss if you did hold to that 1-to-1. However you want to play it. For the recap, we can count it as a loss if you'd like, but we'll see how it plays out. Then we get another call entry here. Here's our stop out on these wicks, and look what happens. Comes right down here to support, bounces up, and we end up getting excuse me, another green day in the books, just trading our system 1 scalping method. It's a great tool. So let's zoom out here. Every day this week we finish green, just trading our simple system. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. Let's just recap real quick. 1-0, 1-1, 1-2, 2-2 on that day. 3-2, 3-3. And we go to the next day, 3-3, 4-3, 5-3, 6-3. Then we go to the next day, 6-3, 7-3, 8-3, 9-3. We end up going 9-3 for the week. If you take this trade out right here, you either went 8-4 or 9-3. But every day you were able to finish green. So if you did take a loss on that, 8 divided by 9, 10, 11, 8 divided by 12, you'd have actually a 66% win rate, which would be horrible, but you'd still finish green. And that's the power of trading our scalping system. If you did follow how our members did in the room, we ended up going 9 divided by 12. Oops. What happened there? 9 divided by 12 equals 83%, or 75%. Did not quite hit our projected target either way. And if you take a wash on that trade, you didn't really get a winner or a loser on that one. But hey, that's how it plays out sometimes, Once again, our goal as a day trader is not to be married to any individual trade. Once we get in profit and come close to our desired targets, we set a trail stop and lock it in. So this is our bread and butter, our scalping system. Another green week in the books for Beast Mode Trading. And that's just kind of what we do. We did add a new system to the room for other people, and it's easier for the newer clients to follow along. As you see, we have our custom indicator built, Beast Mode LLC, easy. And we basically, the green candles are bullish, the red candles are bearish, and we follow our line. It changes colors from green to red, and you'll see how powerful this thing is. So if you traded this system in the room with us, look at this. Our line is red. We take some puts here. We got 20 cents or more movement in our favor. You got to push down. Now our green candles get above the green line. You got a nice little scalp trade. There's 2 winners. Now we get red candles back below this line. 3 winners. There's 3 quick winners here. Another sell-off. 4 winners. 4 winners on this day. I was showing someone in the room how to trade this system. And on this trade right here, it ended up, I initiated my trail stop about right here because I was expecting it to roll over to at least retest this previous support, and it fell through. I just traded 1 contract to show them that trading is all about consistency. If you can make money with 1 contract, you could trade 10 of them if your account allows for that. I ended up making about $44 on 1 contract right here. So our joke in the room is we get to go eat some lunch at McDonald's for the family, just being funny. You have to have fun while you trade, and that's what we do in our community. We earn and learn together while having a good time, and we do this live. So I do want to show you that it's not perfect. We're still underneath this red line, and you would take in a put here again, and your stop out would be when the candles turn green. So this one would be a loser. So you would actually go 4 winners and 1 loser. However, this losing trade happens after 1 o'clock. So I personally wouldn't have taken this trade. You guys know me. I shoot for 2 to 3 winning trades a day, and I stop. Doesn't matter if I make $10 or I make $2,000. My rule personally is 2 or 3 winners for the day, and I'm done. And that's just the power of why I think I'm so successful. You know, let's fast forward to another day and check it out. Look how easy it is. Let me ask you guys, what color is our line? It's green, right? So out the gate, we all took calls, and on this leg up, we all took a nice green bag. For our clients in the room that like to trade the breakouts, we had a breakout trade right here. You popped up, you put your stop right there. Look what happens. You rocked it. So we got one good winner, and then we let this thing retrace back down. Once it got underneath this line, you could have entered right here. It does retrace on you, comes back down, and it did fall 20 cents. So you'd be putting a trail stop in at least back to break even. So you'd have taken a wash on this trade and waited for a reset. Then we get back above this line. It's green. We entered this first green candle. Look what happens. Nice movement right there. If you held a little bit longer, you would have got in here and you would have got stopped out right there. This is meant to get nice quick bags in your favor. We had a re-entry right here. Look at the movement up in our favor. We had an entry here. Oh, what do you know? We lost right here. Nothing that we could do about that, you know. And then our line turns red here. You could take a put here, 05, down here to 94. Unfortunately, that once again, look at the time. It's 13 o'clock, which is 1 p.m. I personally want to take this trade because I like to trade from 9:30 to 12. That's typically when we get the most volume. But if you did take that trade, you would have taken a loss on that. Then you would have re-gotten back in over here. You've gotten a winner out of that. You would have gotten in here, gotten another winner out of that. You would have gotten in here, gotten another winner out of that. And you're kind of seeing a pattern here. So, hey, if you like what you see, reach out, join the team. We do this live in our chat room Monday through Friday. And come have some fun with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to hear from you. And if you want to come earn and learn and have some fun, join the Beast Mode family today. Beast Mode out. Thank you for your time and have a blessed day.